I'm Chris Fikert. I'm the Senior Wireless Engineer with EnerTribe. EnerTribe does everything from the design, optimization, implementation, configuration, training, and even support of all of the wireless products that we use with the tribes. We use a variety of frequencies and technologies depending on the environment and the capabilities and capacities and requirements desired by the customers in order to provide broadband connectivity to all of the residents, or as many residents that we technically can. For Round Valley Indian tribes, we are trying to increase the capacity and coverage throughout the valley for the existing residents and future residents for broadband connectivity. EnerTribe and Tarana have a partnership and a go-to-market strategy designed around tribal community broadband and bringing broadband into communities that don't either have broadband right now or need a better system to provide additional capacity. Now, there are many challenges that go along with terrain, and mainly being trees, mountains, and other clutter in the environment. This product, the Tarana Wireless G1, is great at penetrating trees in 5 gigahertz, as well as providing very high capacity and distance, which translates into more coverage and more customers.